Just realized my mic was muted. What's up, everybody? Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Comfy Org stream. How's everybody doing today? Today we are playing with what is it called? Z Image Turbo. There's too many models. There's too many models. I'm not mad about it. There's just too many models. But this one is really awesome. Runs on relatively low VRAM, pretty high res, and looks really good so far. I'm really digging it. We'll get into it more and more and more and more, and we'll talk about it and look at all the way the workflow works and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, basically you can run it locally. You can run it on the cloud. You can run it pretty much on a potato now. Yeah, I was just gaslighting everyone with the microphone. But yeah, you should be working now. Right on, friends. Let's just get right into it. Let's share the old screen window. There it is. All right. So Z Image Turbo is by Alibaba, the Tongyi Lab. I am sure I am butchering that. So it is a powerful and highly efficient 6B parameter model. There we go. Image generation model designed for high quality visual synthesis. Z Image Turbo, or Z Image Turbo if you nasty, is the distilled variant. Is optimized to run comfortably on consumer GPUs with 16 gigabytes of VRAM while maintaining exceptional performance. It particularly excels in producing photorealistic images with strong detail fidelity. The research team also plans to release the full non-distilled foundation model, opening the door for community-driven fine-tuning, custom workflows, and broader development across the entire open source ecosystem. Let's just talk about that real quick. This is the distilled version of the model, so it is lower VRAM, lower size. It is smaller, infers faster than their main model, which they have not released yet. And as a result, you're going to see things where the text is maybe a little wonky, or different seeds produce very similar images. These are all very normal with distilled models. So the power of a distilled model is that it gets to the result very quickly, but the result is not quite as varied as a full model. So when the full model comes out, we'll be able to train LoRa's and go deep on this. But right now, with the distilled version, it tends to be harder to train LoRa's and fine tune distilled models because there's less data in the data set. But it's really good for image exploration and making stuff and making images, which is the sort of the fun part of AI. So yeah. Let me zoom out on this a little bit. It's a little big. That's weird. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Let's try I'm going to grab this prompt here from the image, and we're going to just try and get it to work on the local version while I explain how it all works. So, I think a wild Phil has appeared.
I'm here.
There he is.
Wait a minute. Hold on. My camera was working.
So yeah, I am now currently generating. You know what? I might not generate live. This this used a lot of power on my GPU while I'm streaming. All right. But yeah, I mean, damn, that's really close to the prompt. Yeah, I'm really impressed by this model.
I've got Z image pulled up too if you want me to take over rendering.
Yeah, it's good. We can do it on the cloud. Basically, it's very easy. The main workflow is in templates. On the cloud, it's on templates. Z Image Turbo text to image. If you go to images, it should be the first one right here. So you can just click on that, and it'll bring up the workflow. And yeah, it's very easy. On desktop, all you have to do is grab these three models and put them in these three folders. Then just refresh or hit R and make sure that the models are selected in the drop downs down here, and you're good to go. This one's real easy. It's a text to image model. I don't even think we can do image to image on it yet. Have you tried any denoising stuff?
I have. It always wants to pull towards realism, of course.
Yeah.
But I've already trained two LoRa's on the model, as well as some people, Brett mentioned, I tweeted out maybe 10 minutes ago. If you use the DDIM uniform scheduler, we actually combat similar seeds. Um, you know, always produces the same image no matter the seed. It is true. It's a problem with distillation models, but DDIM uniform really helps that. So we should play around with that as well.
DDIM
hmm
uniform. SGM uniform?
No, DDIM on the scheduler.
Oh, so what's the sampler?
Uh, Euler is fine.
All
Whatever you
right.
want, really.
All right. We'll try that then. Euler DDIM uniform. All right, friends. Well, normally I think it's set to res multi step and simple or standard or something. Anyway, if you just load up the workflow, you'll get the defaults. No worries. So let's just try those settings and let's go back to the main workflow. And are we on cloud? Yeah, let's hit it.
This is mainly like a batch image kind of a fix. Because yeah, if you ran like 8 images at the same time, yeah, they would all kind of look the same.
Text got a little blomped. I've noticed this with this model. Sometimes the text is great, and sometimes it's a little janky. But we don't need to be playing with text right now. I'm really more interested in just like what kind of images we can make with this thing. The model, like if you really want like good text and stuff, like use one of the big LLM models. Yeah, I don't. I think this looks a lot worse than the other settings. Might just be other stuff, but excuse me. Just do a quick compare to the original settings. Yeah, you see all this like strange texture that's on there?
Someone. Oh man, I saw someone.
Yeah,
on
see, much
Twitter.
better. Yeah, I don't
Just
know.
a different
That's
seed.
strange. No, with the original sampler settings from the template. As soon as I changed those sampler settings, got this weird texture all over everything.
Yeah, I personally prefer variants over, because I mean upscaling is always a must anyway.
There we go. Nice. All right. We're gonna just try out all these ones from the post here first.
What an incredibly good model for being so small.
I know. I'm blown away. Yeah, I was running them at 8 steps earlier. They look good as well. Wow. That's 2K too.
Yeah, dude, it's really good.
So yeah, you might have noticed that everyone the resolution is 2K, and you see how fast they're coming out. Crazy. Keep going back to the workflow. Okay, so yeah, also if you want to get it running locally and you don't see the workflow in your templates thing, which can happen, the link is on the blog here. I'll put the link in the chat again, but yeah, you should just subscribe to our blog if you want to get into comfy stuff, because we drop workflows 0 day usually. All right, next one was, did I grab it already? This one. Photorealistic close-up portrait of a beautiful woman wearing a white fur hat, a vibrant blue butterfly perches on her finger, dramatic side lighting with strong highlights and deep shadows, cinematic, ultra-realistic. Boink.
I'm blaming Zoom for my camera problems.
Yeah.
I'm finding a pattern here, and I think Zoom is the variable.
Wow. So we're going to try the same run with a different seed and see how it looks.
Yeah,
Oh,
multi-subject.
that's not bad.
We should try
Oh,
multi-subject as well.
she's like giving the middle finger, but the butterfly is landing on it. It's actually kind of sick. Wow. These are great.
For one-shots, they're incredible.
Yeah, I don't know. There's a reasonable amount of difference between the shots. Let me just queue up 4 of each, and then we can compare them as they punch through. Damn, that's fast. I mean, character consistency? Something to be said about that.
Yeah, but I mean, character consistency.
The same shot over and over again.
It's literally the same shot. Even if it is the same person, well, what if I don't want that person or composition, right? And
Well, yeah, but that's okay. You change the words for a distilled model.
yeah, that's the
it's a distilled
the
model.
uniform helps a lot,
yeah.
like a big time amount of a lot.
All right, now let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually 0 out works better. You don't need to 0 out the negative. You can just wire up the one prompt. Text coder to both positive and negative.
Mm-hmm.
Brett says 1K is better for text and 2K is better for just images.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, these are good though. They're different enough for a distilled model anyway. They say they're going to drop the big one, so that'll be cool.
Yeah, I wonder what that means. Like, is the big one still 6B?
I doubt it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, it's probably like flux size.
Didn't they say it was like 100B? They wrote somewhere 100.
100B?
100B.
RIP, everybody. It's been fun.
Need a H200 to run it.
Holy cow.
Here, let me try to find it. It was on their official Hugging Face post.
Isn't 9 steps too slow? Not really. 4 steps is so fast.
Okay, well, I can't find anything on the 100B. I don't know where I saw that. It might have been in their paper.
Man, this looks good.
Oh, man, the skin texture is incredible.
Yeah. I mean, until you get too close, but that's the same with all AI.
Yeah, but this is one shot.
I know, it's wild. 4 steps, too.
Yeah, dude, what?
Handsome hiker with layered blonde hair and defined features. Look, everyone, it's a handsome hiker. The quality is really good. This has probably been asked, but is Comfy Cloud intending to allow workflows to be exposed via API? I saw a tweet from us this morning that we are. So looks like it's in the cooks. It's in the cooks. Well, the like carabiner is like his earring.
Yeah, they're like my earrings.
Oh, no one, we can't tell, dude. You're
Yeah,
just a big F.
rub it
You're
in,
just a
dude.
big. You're just a big F on the screen.
F's in the chat for my profile pic.
You can't even put your profile pic in.
Dude,
Zero
where?
effort.
Where do I
Oh,
do
it's
that?
on the
Is it my Google
it's
thing?
like if you like click the three dots beside your name, you can edit your name and title, and in there you can add your profile pic at
Okay, wait a
least.
minute. Hold on. 3 dots. Okay. Edit name and title. Does that work? Hey.
There's Phil.
Wait. There we go.
Yeah, perfect. I sound different.
Amazing.
That's funny. All right. Well, those worked. And let's try this last one here. We have Latina female with thick wavy hair, sun-kissed skin, wearing a neutral tone fleece. Golden hour, seaside cliffs, warm backlight outlining hair, ultra clean portrait with natural salt air atmosphere. All right. It does look like a natural salt air atmosphere.
Her hair's curlier than usual.
This button layout is a little wonky, but I'll allow it.
Oh,
I
yeah.
only got one.
Not spaced.
Yeah. Put it back.
And it's a zipper.
I really like the lighting in all these shots. I mean, yeah, they're very they're very like pro fashion shot, but they look really good.
Yeah, natural too.
Lily, yeah, we've been speaking about this. The lack of variety is due to the fact that this is a distilled model. They are going to be releasing the full version of this model eventually, and it will be more reactive to like different seeds and prompts and stuff. But for right now, we're using a small distilled version of the model that infers much faster than the full version will. And Phil's spreading a rumor now that it's 100B, so it's probably going to be
I don't think
very
that's
large.
true. Don't.
No, but the point is the full model will be larger and take longer to infer, but it'll have a wider base of sort of things it can pull from.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the edit model. I want to see how, like, if they get a good small sized edit model, that would be incredible.
Yeah. I've just got ChatGPT making prompts for me now. Life's too short. I don't want to do any creative work. I just want ChatGPT and Comfy to cover it all. I just want to sit back and be like, no, that's terrible. Make more art. Yes, that's great. Put it on Twitter.
You know that skit Celery Man?
Yeah, exactly. That's all I want. Can I see a nude detain? It's like, oh God. It's like, I don't know what I expected.
It's like closing his eyes like, I'm okay.
I'm okay. Yeah, these look great. The thing is, like, I would use any of these shots, like, just like, like when you need a stock shot for something, like, this is perfect. Like, I wouldn't even use pixels.
Yeah,
I would just use this to like make stuff to bring to life. That's the other thing. Like any one of these is going to be a killer start frame for a video model. And then anything that's happening you don't like in the image is likely going to get smoothed out by that video model anyway. So like we can try that. Like let's bring this one to life. I'm curious. Save this image. Start a new workflow. We'll just use the Kling one. It's nice and fast. Kling image to video. I like 2.5. We got 2.5. We do. Start frame. Load image. Did I save it? I don't remember. Yes, I did. The wind is blowing. The water is watering.
Perfect.
The wind is blowing. It's a beautiful day at the beach. A bicycle rides past. Rides past. Past? Past. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Duration 5 seconds. Video. Save video. Cool. Gotta love the cloud. It's that easy, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you could do this locally too. These are API nodes, so do this anywhere. I wonder what it would produce if you said the water is watering. Yeah, I would probably just do the thing that water does.
Which is water.
Yeah. Water just waters here, waters there. What are you doing? I'll get my coat.
You're done. You're done here.
You're done, bud.
You're done.
16 by 9 on a 1 by 1 image. Yeah, you're dang right, Taz. We don't pay attention to aspect ratios around here, bud. You're right. That is a massive oversight, but we'll see what happens. It'll probably crop the image or just like outpaint the sides. Not
If
sure
it
yet.
outpaced the size, that'd be amazing.
Yeah. My guess is it's going to just crop a 16 by 9 like center of the photo. But yeah, it'd be really neat if it just went like, oh, okay. And just dreamed out the sides. Do, 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 do. If you guys want to see any prompts, if you haven't tried with the model yet, please feel free to drop the prompts in the chat and we will try them out. It's hard for me to copy and paste them though, so maybe do it anyway. I'll just retype them, I guess. We really need to figure that out. It'll make a platypus. Yeah, exactly. We should see if this model understands and knows what a platypus is. We'll do the platypus test on every new model.
It's actually not that bad of an idea. Like that's a great. You never know.
Yeah, because I forget what model it was. It just could not. It could not figure out what a platypus was. It kept making beavers and otters and.
Was it Juan? No. What was that? I can't even remember. Quen? Might have been Quen.
Yeah, that's true, guys. This is a CFG1 model and it is not censored. So watch your prompts if you don't want NSFW stuff because, as far as I understand, it has no qualms with showing the human anatomy. So, yeah. Fair warning. I'll also keep an eye on these prompts and make sure they're not LOL.
We have confirmation it was Quen.
Gwen, nice one. Yeah.
Someone make a Quen platypus, Laura. Solve the problem once and for all.
Thinks hamsters are guinea pigs. Oh, okay.
Some of those creatures you were making that one night were insane, though.
The frog cat. I just love a frog cat. Try generating a dragon. It's often missing one arm. Oh, it didn't even try to do 16 by 9. It just made a square. Hey, the bicycle went past. I really didn't think that was going to happen. Nice.
Oh, just black barred it, eh?
No, I think it's literally that size. It didn't even
care. Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't even respect that.
I mean, probably the better.
Yeah.
The better of the options.
But I mean, what a cool video from like perfect first frame for a video. Like that looks like I like, effects are all. Talk to your doctor if you have, like it's it's perfect for an ad already.
Dude, that could have been on Pexels. I wouldn't even know.
I know. Wow. Yeah. Everyone just starts.
Yeah,
Everyone leaves the stream and starts making
totally.
NSFW stuff at home. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, just numbers are just dropping and dropping and dropping.
Just give it a week, guys. Civitai will be crawling.
Someone said a man and a woman sitting at a restaurant on a date. The man is wearing a casual t-shirt and jeans. Woman has long blonde hair and is wearing a formal red dress. Let's try that. Boom. I am a human copy paste machine.
I think we call that a copywriter.
Okay, red dress, blonde hair, t-shirt, jeans. Boom, boom, boom. What is that?
Yeah, what is that?
And what is that?
Glitch in the Matrix.
I'm gonna run that one
That looks
again.
like it looks like a
Yeah,
DIT.
woman in the red dress, glitch in the Matrix. I see what you're doing there.
It's like that one corner of the image just didn't get diffused properly.
Oh, weird.
It's kind of doing it silly.
I wonder if that's like from like watermarks and stuff that were on images, and it's just sort of
Possibly,
in there.
yeah.
It might actually be better with the undistilled one that comes out later too. Interesting. These are all very quite different, although she does have 3 legs, which is unfortunate. That's a cool trick, though, having your legs together and crossed at the same time. Try the step count. All right, let's do a 40 step run. Some server on the cloud just went like, oh no. This is just going to be like deep fried nonsense, probably. Distilled models don't react well to high steps. But you never know. Maybe we found the magic sauce. It's 40 steps. We'll do CFG of 40 too. Has anyone used the Python script to convert the original FP16 and FP12 model to Comfy? No, I just grabbed the ones out of the split files folder and they just worked out of the box. So, yeah. I wonder how bad 40 steps is. I guess we're about to find out. You know what? I'm actually going to...
It's not as bad as you think. I already did it.
Oh, yeah, it's brutal. I just wanted to make sure I didn't do anything weird with the CFG or anything. Oh, good. That's not looking good. Well, you heard it here first, people. 40 steps is a bad idea. Let's try
Someone
8.
went hard on that noise.
Yeah.
Film
like,
grain.
Yeah, dog.
It's good.
You like noise?
Cinematic.
More than 12 gains no difference. Okay, so like 12 is what you think is the upper limit. That's cool. Oh, yeah. Who's the third blast for? You know what? They're adults.
I think
Who
the
am
word
I
is
to
alcoholic.
judge? Who am I to judge?
Double fisting the wine? Come on, dude. Before the appetizers? Oh, buddy.
I need to get a head start. Okay.
She doesn't like him and she's getting her money's worth out of this date right now.
Yeah. Well, no wonder. It looks like they're at like a Greasy Spoon diner.
Greasy Spoon. Welcome to Greasy Spoon.
Look, the chairs don't even match. This place sucks. They have like totally different backs. That's great. That's his second glass to deal with her complaints about the place. Yeah, probably. It's kitschy. It's cool. She's like, no, this table is plywood. I want to leave.
This table is plywood.
I'm getting splinters in my arm. Can we please leave? You can tell the quality of the model based on how many jokes the host has to make. That's not true. That's not true at all. This is a great model.
Yeah, the model is actually incredible.
A platypus and a penguin
I feel like if
playing
anything, it's the other way around.
playing on a slide, a water slide. So, do you think you can do a platypus and a penguin
At the same time?
Oh,
I think they're both gonna look like the same creature.
a
Definitely.
a penguipus?
Yeah.
That guy totally catfished her. Oh,
Oh
that's not
no.
that's not a platypus. That's a why does it have a hook nose?
Oh
Hook?
no.
What is it? A claw nose? What I don't even know what to call it. Oh, it's got the penguin beak. I get it. It
That's why I
just
said it's the same creature.
yeah. It totally kind of mixed the two. Ooh,
Look at that water. Zoom in. It looks like ice on the bottom. It's
it's
so
weird looking.
weird.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
weird looking water.
Also, like this thing is like 2K by 2K. Yeah, it could do it, but like,
Yeah, I wonder if it might just straight up look better at 1K.
yeah, I think upscaling to 2K is
Oh,
a
you know
better.
what? This is also at 8 steps, so the water might have got like literally like fried. I'll try another one here. I'm doing one. This was 8 platypus on the beach. Yeah, it kind of it doesn't. Well,
It's like
I
an
don't. Are there
otter.
platypi that aren't duck-billed? Like,
I have no idea.
are there platypi that look like this? I'm not a plat expert. Platypus.
That's like 4 creatures
Platyputarian.
mixed together.
It is. This is not. That's no.
That looks like an otter.
It's a seal. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
an otter, seal, platypus,
Yeah,
beaver.
seal. That's it, not an otter.
A sea lion. Do you think it'll be like a sea lion or like a lion at the sea? All right, we got a sea lion. Okay, now a lion at the sea. Nice. He's just chilling on the beach.
He's totally out of distribution.
Yeah, he does not belong at this resort.
Put like a lion swimming in a hotel pool.
A lion swimming in a hotel pool. There's just people screaming and trying to get out of the pool.
No, they're probably going to be chilling. Yep.
Oh, yeah, he's just vibing.
It's a good picture.
People are sitting around the pool in lounge chairs, sipping cocktails. Why is 9 important over 8? 9 what? Somebody saying to do 9 steps? Oh, yeah, they're just chilling. Just watching their lion. All right, let's try 9. No, the lion doesn't need to be wearing a bikini. You can do that one at home. Two. Everyone's got like 3 drinks.
Dude,
she's drinking too. She's got one here. He's got one here. One
yeah,
on
like this model is just it's only trained on people from Las Vegas, apparently.
People are drinking at a bar. They have a lot of drinks. There's just like 25 beers on the table. Oh God, they're drinking beer and they have cocktails in their other hand.
Yeah, man.
That's gonna be a bad night.
The symmetry of this is good though. It's fun.
Mm-hmm. Axe throwing contest.
Oh God.
Cool. Stock photo of a person at a board meeting being bored, staring at the wall while their boss is giving a presentation on performance improvements. It just literally goes and downloads one. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's just blurry enough. Look how close this
I know.
is. He's like,
Give the guy some space. Jesus.
Can I please breathe? Oh. Are you paying attention? I hate the symmetry when you don't want it, though. Oh, interesting. Alien versus Predator chess match in Central Park. I always like this one. I'm always curious if it knows Alien versus Predator. It's just a guy.
Wow.
That's really good. That's really good. That might be the best one I've ever done, actually. It always kind of mixes the alien and the predator on both sides. Almost all models do this. But it's cool. The quality is crazy.
The separation is something.
This is a 1K.
Yeah, for 1K, that's what I'm talking about, though. It's like, it's incredibly good for 1K. For me, it's the speed. The speed is just unmatched. It's so good.
That prompt is definitely going to come up with something NSFW. I'm going to avoid that one.
Yeah, probably.
Let's try design. Let's do cool logo design for ComfyUI. Let's try Bauhaus inspired typography. Design system. And let's just try design system. I wonder if it can kind of do that cool stuff that Gwen was doing. Or not Gwen, Nano Banana. Oh,
wow.
Nailed it.
Okay.
Ship it.
New logo? Who dis?
It screams corporate compliance.
Mm-hmm.
That's a node.
That's a button.
Okay. A person eating spaghetti in Central Park while riding in a rickshaw. The rickshaw driver is also eating spaghetti.
Yeah, we're changing our name to Corporate UI. It's amazing.
There's no driver.
Close.
There's no driver. Xcode values work in this model? Nice. CFG between 1.5 and 2 improves anime art style. Oh, that's cool. Cool. It can't do the New Zealand kiwi bird. Well,
Send it back.
do a man in pajamas and a woman in a kimono eating Chinese food in an old Italian restaurant. I would. I'm really trying to avoid anything that may generate an SFW. Just obviously because we're on YouTube. But please try that stuff at home. Can it do a 4-panel comic? Good question. 4-panel comic meme. A man eating a banana incorrectly.
Uh-oh.
See if he's
and
eating it on the
demonetized.
Kicks these prompts, man. You'd like trying to get us like Trying to get us demonetized.
I mean,
It looks like he's eating it correctly to me.
it is technically a 4-panel comic.
It is.
Maybe try something not that, but still
What do
the
you
4
mean?
panels.
He's getting it in there, man. No cheat, just push.
Do like a 4-panel comic of someone grocery shopping or something.
4-panel comic meme, a dog shopping for broccoli at a broccoli store. Okay. Manage a dog shopping for broccoli, a dog buying shoes, a dog playing tennis, and a dog falling asleep after a long day. I wonder if you can like
dictate the panels.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't have enough knowledge to infer.
Yeah, like there are multiple steps to do. Oh, cool.
Nice.
I mean, it gave the broccoli eyes, but other than that, I can't believe how fast this is. This is
I
9
mean,
steps.
if it shows you anything, like even the slightest amount of fine tuning would push it perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, like that's amazing. It's so good.
Wow. Yeah, that totally worked. A panda bear painting black patches on his body to look like a panda bear. What the pandas? He is a panda. What are you talking about? It doesn't make sense. Yeah, we'll do a stream on Kick. We could really make some cool stuff then. A woman made out of transparent glass. I know that trick. A woman's dress is made of air. Come on, guys. I wasn't born yesterday.
I would have ran it.
A woman's dress is made of air. Oh, we're offline.
And we're done.
Let's try. Okay, so let's do the run. So turkey sandwich, right? The turkey sandwich should just make a turkey sandwich. Love this new status bar on the cloud. Okay, so we got a turkey sandwich. Now it is a sentient turkey sandwich attacking Tokyo.
I'm listening.
That's not Tokyo.
That is disturbing.
Yeah. He's gobbling all over that sandwich. It still looks kind of good, though. Ooh, I like that. Lego instructions. How to build a fire truck. Ooh, I like that. It knows what a Lego fire truck looks like, at least. I wouldn't call them the instructions, but it's a box. Yes, it runs locally. I'm just running it on the cloud for speed. When I run it locally while streaming, it kind of chunks my computer a bit, makes the stream slow down. So that's not good. But running it locally is totally fine when I'm not streaming. Okay, well, that's cool. I like this weird little like not Lego truck with a Lego
Just a head on it.
IKEA instructions: how to build a chair. IKEA instructions are like a very specific like look.
Wow.
No, it's an IKEA chair. I did ask for the instructions, though. Also, it definitely knows the logos.
Mm-hmm.
Same chair. A chair that has been built incorrectly. Our chair looks correct.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
Yeah. Can it do like plaid texture, um, purple and black tartan with an embroidered sword? Like, I wonder if it can do like up close like textures and stuff. Whoa.
Wow, that's really good. Holy crap. I wasn't expecting that good.
Holy. Okay. 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 Plaid texture, purple black tartan. 90s drum and bass album cover. Let's do like a experimental geometric graphic design. Okay, I wonder if it can just like crap out like a 90s drum and bass album cover. Yep.
Cool.
That is so cool.
Run those seeds a few times.
Whoa. Neat. I like the varying like the depth, the way it's using the palette to like yeah, it's interesting. What if we get rid of the plaid texture and purple black tart and just let it like experimental geometric graphic design? Hit it, buddy. Whoa. It's just mixing textures. It's super crazy.
This is nice though.
Yeah. Dark contrast, purple, pink, blue, ink drops in oil. Do 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 do. Whoa!
Mm-hmm.
Damn. I'm gonna try this one at Dose K. Oh, no wonder it was so fast. We're doing it at 1K. Man, the color mix is really cool. Like, yeah. Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm. That's really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, you may want to go in and crop at any of this sort of like watermark business that's showing up in the corners here. I think that'll probably go away with the bigger version of the model. Wow, I love this. The color choices here are super interesting. Yeah, if anyone needs an album cover, go ahead and take him. Oh yeah. Yeah, I might just make these all night. That's really cool. Yeah, friends, like that's, it's an image model, so you can do all kinds of different things with it. So try plugging it into video generators, try plugging it into like other models. You can even image edit it with like existing models like Nano Banana, use it for your first image, and then take them down the road further and do stuff with them. And yeah, there's so many things that you can do with these models, and we, can't say enough cool things about these open source models that drop, because this is how models get better, in my opinion. When the community is kind of allowed to tinker with them.
Hmm.
A lot of the stuff that gets trained in tends to help the community on a whole as a whole. So yeah,
Yeah, I was doing some training runs on this, guys. It trains so fast, like a
nice.
LoRa in an hour, like very quick.
Yeah, that's crazy. I yeah, I can't wait to see what the community lores look like, and
Hmm.
where everything goes. But yeah, friends, we'll be back on Tuesday, and hopefully Julian will be back with us. I'm not sure when he gets back from Japan, but hopefully he's having a good time. And if you're celebrating Turkey Day this weekend, have a great weekend. We did ours last month because Canada's cool.
I'm here right now, so I'm just chilling.
So you get two.
I get two.
I get two Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Also,
Right
it's an
on.
actual holiday here, so
Well, have fun, everybody. And yeah, eat yourselves silly. And then, yeah, just remember to go outside and use Comfy to prompt yourself touching grass.
nice.
Yeah, you can do it
I
on the
might.
cloud now.
You could do it on Z image.
Yeah, you can do it right on your phone. You don't even need to. You don't even need to bring your laptop
Oh
outside
man.
anymore. You can just make images on on the boardwalk. All right, friends, have a great one. Bye bye. Thanks, Phil. See you guys on Tuesday.
Thank you. See you guys soon.
Toodly boodly.